Okay, so I've been scared of making this frosting because of the process, so I didn't want to get anything wrong and all that, so it's quite a process. So but thanks to my friend who showed me this easy way out, and I've tried it and it works well, and in fact I've come to love the frosting. Hi and welcome to my channel. Today on this channel I'll show you how to make SMBC. If you are wondering what's the meaning of SMBC or what does SMBC stand for, watch this video to the end. So let's get right into it. Okay, so for this frosting you need buttercream, and your buttercream has to be at room temperature. It shouldn't be hot, so when you touch it, it should just go right in. Yeah, so that's room temperature buttercream. Okay, and also you need your icing sugar, you need your flavor, vanilla flavor, and you need this very important ingredient here. It's called 2 chicks. It's an egg white, pasteurized egg white, and you'll be needing salt. First thing you want to do is to get your pasteurized egg white into your bowl. So I'll drop the detailed measurement in the description below, so check out the description for the measurements. Make sure your bowl is very clean. You want to have a clean bowl, no oil and nothing. Your wicks is also clean, no oil stain. And I'm going to turn my egg whites into the bowl, just like that. Now I'm going to add in my powdered sugar. So I would say add this a bit at a time, but for me, as you can see, I don't know if you can see this, but when you add powdered sugar, there's so much dust in the kitchen. So to avoid that, this is an easy way I catch this dust. So my mixer actually have a bowl cover, but even with the cover, there's still, when I make icing like this, I still get a lot of dust in the kitchen. So I just use this method. I found this technique very easy. It really helps with all those icing sugar flying away. This ensure that the icing sugar stay in place. Yeah, I hope you find this tip helpful. So I'm going to start beating on medium speed. So I'll still have to scrape the bowl. I'll still have to scrape the bowl so that this icing sugar by the side goes down. So now this process is called the meringue. They are forming the meringue. I don't know if you can hear me with the noise, but I'm forming the meringue, and you want this. You want to do this to form the meringue before you start adding your butter. You can actually take this off now. Yeah, just the deed is done. So I'm just scraping the side of the bowl to get all the icing sugar into the bowl, into the mixture, while I continue to mix. So you can see all my icing sugar in one place. Imagine all this icing sugar going to the house. So I'm going to increase the speed. Okay, now let's check. So I'm using unsalted butter, so I'm going to add in a bit of salt. So that is to enhance the taste, and I'll add in my vanilla. I'm going to beat on high. Now add in your butter little at a time. for about 10 minutes until when I taste it, it's not tasting like butter, but it's tasting like ice cream. When your frosting looks like this, it's okay. Just take a little out of it, heat it up in the microwave, then pour it back and keep whipping until you get this consistency. So once it begins to come together like this, I'm going to add a tiny bit of purple just to take away the yellow color and give me white. So very tiny bits. I'll just scrape the side of my bowl. Also, as you can see, I've changed the whisk attachment to the paddle attachment, and I'm going to be using this for the last stage of the whipping. So we are going to start. I started on medium speed, and I'm going to reduce it to low speed as I go to get that silky effect, that very smooth and silky effect. So you can see here in this video, my buttercream is coming together. You are still watching. Thank you for watching. And if you do not know what SMBC means, just leave a comment below in the comment section and I will tell you the meaning of SMBC. Let me know if you are going to try this frosting. I tell you, it's really easy to make. I'm so happy I gave it a try. And yeah, now I have an additional buttercream recipe. Very stable, delicious. So it doesn't taste too sugary. It's not too sugary. It's just like ice cream. Thank you, Jazzy Bakes, and to everyone, thank you so much for staying to the end of this video. Please don't forget to like, share this video, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to this channel. See you in my next video for more recipes.